Domino's Pizza, a global giant in the pizza delivery industry, is once again pushing the boundaries of innovation with its latest offering, the Domino's DXB, an electric bike developed specifically for pizza delivery. This high-tech e-bike aims to solve the age-old challenge of delivering pizzas that are not just warm but oven hot, all while ensuring they arrive at the customer's doorstep in perfect condition. At the heart of the DXB is its groundbreaking integrated mobile oven. This feature sets it apart from traditional delivery methods, as it keeps pizzas warm throughout the entire delivery process. No longer will customers have to settle for lukewarm, soggy pizzas that have endured the trials of traffic and lengthy delivery routes. The DXB promises a piping hot pizza experience, as if it were just pulled fresh from the oven. The innovation doesn't stop there. Recognizing the challenges of navigating urban landscapes, Domino's equipped the DXB with a state-of-the-art space-age suspension system. This advanced suspension not only ensures a smooth ride for the delivery person, but also protects the pizza from the jolts and bumps of uneven terrain. The result is a pizza that arrives not only hot but perfectly intact, maintaining its quality as if it were just prepared in the kitchen. While the DXB boasts cutting-edge features, it remains a practical e-bike at its core. Developed for city use, it comes equipped with 20-inch wheels and a battery pack integrated into the down tube. The bike's agility allows it to maneuver through traffic efficiently, while the energy-efficient appearance aligns with Domino's commitment to sustainability. The DXB is poised to revolutionize the food delivery industry, setting a new standard for efficiency and convenience, especially in urban areas where speed is of the essence. Domino's Pizza Enterprises markets, excluding the United States, will soon witness the rollout of this hot wheel delivery service. DPE's extensive reach spans across countries like Australia, New Zealand, and various European and Asian nations, offering a glimpse into the future of food delivery. As technology continues to intersect with our daily lives, Domino's DXB stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to staying ahead of the curve. This innovative e-bike not only ensures the timely delivery of hot and fresh pizzas, but also hints at a future where technology and the love for a perfect slice of pizza come together seamlessly. Domino's DXB is more than a delivery vehicle. It's a symbol of the evolving landscape of food delivery services in the modern world. What do you think about this bike? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.